Hello, Nathan here from the photography team. As you probably know, myself and Ben, we do like to dabble in a little bit of film photography, both 35mm and full frame. You may have seen my previous video where I took my Leica R5 out and shot a roll of Fujifilm Superior 200. While I was out that day, I also took out my Zenza Bronica. And I put a roll of Ilford HP5 through this, and also a roll of Portra 400. Now I took this out because I'd recently acquired a metered prism and the grip. Obviously before that, every shot you took you had to use a light meter, to get the correct exposure. So I thought I would test out this metered prism. It's very simple. Set it to auto, compose your shot, half press the shutter. It will tell you what shutter speed it's going to fire at. You don't have to change any settings on the camera. It will set the camera up and it will fire it at the recommended shutter speed. So I've developed the images using Ilford DDX. They're currently hanging up drying. I'm going to get them scanned in, and I'll show you what results I've got from the Zenza Bronica ETRS using the metered prism. Again, this was in a village called Horsham St Faiths, which is in Norfolk in the UK. Please comment, like and subscribe. My name's Nathan and I'm from the photography team.